Lexis and company Cognizant and Intern. We are talking about the process and evidentiary value of test identification parade. After the identification parade of the person or property is over, it should be verified and ensured by the investigation officer that the proceeding of the parade matches the details records given in the case diary. The investigating officer should remember that the magistrate who recorded the identification parade is cited as a witness in the memo of evidence to speak about the conduct. Evidential value. Identification of the accused by the witness in this parade is a shred of primary evidence but not substantive evidence. It is used to support the identification of the accused by the witness in court of law. On the other hand, if the witness identifies the accused in the court of law, then it is substantive evidence. Interestingly, this parade is not held earlier and the witness identifies the accused for the first time. The general rule is that witness identifying the accused in the court alone is not basis of conviction. Exception in this parade. Supreme Court held in case of H.P. versus Premchand that this parade is not necessary when witness already knew the accused and identified the accused in the court of law. Supreme Court also held in the case of Dana Yadav versus State of Bihar, making it clear that the sole purpose of TIP is to lend corroboration to the court identification. Now some landmark judgments. Supreme Court in the case of Hari Krishan Singh versus State of Bihar held that the court identification of the accused by witness is useless when the witness has already failed to identify the accused. Supreme Court held in the case of Suraj Pal versus State of Haryana that the accused can't be compelled to line up for identification parade if he refuses to submit so. Now concluding to this, the only thing is that helps the investigating officer to ascertain that the investigation is going in the right direction and help them tailor the further course of investigation.